This is a Traxxas Slash 4x4, and these are shock preload clips. If you don't know what these are for, basically they go on the shock above the spring to adjust the stiffness of the spring. I already have quite a few of these, but I also have a 3D printer. And I found some files on Thingiverse so I can actually print some of these. I'll put a link in the description to where you can find them on Thingiverse if you want to print some for yourself. I did not design them, so all credit goes to the designer. I don't really need any more of these, but I want to find out how well they hold up. So let's go print them. Alrighty, looks like they're done. They look pretty good so far. I just have to take the brims off and get rid of all the stringiness, then we can see what it actually looks like. Alright, here they are. I printed 2 of each size, so these ones are 5mm, these are 8, and these are 12. So now we just have to put them on and see how they work. So far, so good. I put them all on, none of them broke. They clip straight on. Work amazing so far. Now all we gotta do is go outside and test them. So far, they're actually all still perfectly intact. None of them have actually broken yet. So now we're going to step it up and take some actual jumps. Another check here. They all look like they're doing amazingly. Also, Landon has this little dude here off a model dirt bike. He named him Jerry, and he clips onto the rear bumper of his Stampede. Thank you so much for watching. I had a ton of fun making this video, and these 3D printed clips actually held up really well. None of them broke. Super happy about that. If you want to see more 3D printing videos from me, click right here on the screen for a playlist about that, and I'll see you over there.